am a lawyer by profession. I did my bachelor's in law from Delhi University. Then I went on to do my master's in intellectual property from Cardiff Law School. And thereafter, I worked with a few big firms like Ernst & Young and Deloitte. And then I decided to start my own firm. We have a few partners in the firm. We have grown substantially over the last few years. Hudson Mackenzie, we work globally across the world for different clients in different sectors. We work in FMCG, we work in oil and gas, we work in manufacturing, we work in possibly every sector you could talk about. We have offices in Singapore. We are due to open one in Dubai and New Delhi very soon. So we are growing as a practice substantially, and we will be looking to open an office in New York next year. So that's our business plan, immediate business plan. You know, SMEs looking to set up abroad, so we not only help for the UK, we are a full service law firm. We can help with legal issues, we can help with tax, IP, we can help with even accounting for SMEs. So if they're looking to set up abroad, if they have the vision to make it big, we can help realize that vision in every possible country. Absolutely, you'd be surprised to know, in various countries you have virtual offices, which just don't count a lot of money, and you could possibly set up with a very little capital in a different country, but that gives you a brand name and that shows that you are a global company, which helps you compete with the global players out there in the market. So instead of sitting in India having a SME, I'm not saying in India you can't grow and you can't make it big, but I think the moment you go global, it becomes a faster route and a quicker route to get there where you actually want to go. You talk about any clients in any sector, you talk about US clients, you talk about UK clients, you talk about European clients. That's what your clients you're working with. And the moment they see you have an office in London, you have an office globally and anywhere in the world, it just shows you are a true global player and you have the capability to deliver, rather than just being an Indian company who may have the right capability but may not have the right conception in people's mind that they are able to deliver at a global scale. IT business is one of the big businesses in every country which is doing really well. You have a lot of IT contractors going to different countries working on different projects. We have a lot of engineers going on oil and gas projects in various countries. There's a lot of demand from Indian engineers because technically Indians have been seen as very bright for these professions, and that they are moving to these countries on a very regular basis. We provide a very bespoke service. We just don't tell the client that's what you need to do. We fill the forms for them, we give them proper advice, we actually help them file the application. When they arrive in the UK, we even help with relocation services. We make sure they have the right setup, they have the right legal systems in place, they have the right incorporation, whatever they need to be, and we have a good relationship with them, a long-term relationship which just lasts not for months but for years and years to come. Like I said, we are a full-service law firm. We can provide services in the legal sector, especially intellectual property, taxation, immigration both for businesses and individuals. We can provide services for companies looking to float on the AIM in London. The AIM is the alternate exchange market. So we can also help with company commercial work, corporate joint ventures, mergers and acquisitions. So anything you're looking to do overseas, we can help with that. And it's not just UK focused, it could be any possible country in the world.